Dyan ka na, andyan yung towel mo ha. Nakasabit.
Paradise Camp. Ay, oo, maganda sa Paradise Camp. Sa Kinrawat, oh, guys, connect with one another, guys. You have to connect with one another so you can have many friends. Alright? So you can have many friends. Yes. Oh, tama, Instagram home. Alright, yes, I don't understand what you say. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa aking takdang panahon. Na 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 na. La 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 la. Idol yun, I love. Thank you. This is all for you. You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch dancing, living a dancing queen. Yeah. Dito lang Instagram home, Nome, Gina, Jewels of Gina. I cannot, pakitype mo nga, Jordan, Jewels of Gina Instagram. Our guest is asking my Instagram name. Pakitype mo lang, Jewels of Gina. Her name is Jewels of Gina in Instagram. What's her name? Yes, you wait. Too much spamming in the chat. Bye. So, too much spamming. Going out now. Oo nga eh. Sorry for that. But thank you for staying for a while. Si kasi BJ Brasos bawasan mo yung idol mo diyan. Maano tayo, mababatas tayo ng YouTube. Kasi paulit-ulit eh. Ayaw nila ng paulit-ulit. Oh, what's the name daw Instagram? Pakilagay mo nga the name. The name in Instagram, Jewels of Gina. Jordan, pakilagay. Wait ha.
Meeting pa namin ni Daddy, gagawin namin yung flag.
Oh, sige, pero ng cellphone so that I can type. Hindi ako makapag-type dito eh. Hindi ako makapag-type, please.
Ako mag-send sa kanya.
Sino magsisend?
5 minutes na.
Okay, 5 minutes ha, 5 minutes. Yes, Gina. Gina. I'm waiting for the cellphone so I can type. Sige na, ma-type ko. Wrong spelling. It's letter G as in God. G as in God. Gina. Yes, Gina, like that. Yes. YONQUE, Gmail. So you can connect with me in Gmail. Yung kay Gina33@gmail.com. Yes, Gina@gmail.com. Gmail.com. Ayun, binawasan ko yung mga idol kasi BJ Brasos ayaw ni YouTube ng paulit-ulit ng mga sinasabi. Magkwento ka na lang dyan. Not always the same word. Okay? Na-type mo na, Jewels of Gina. Beautiful Sunday. It is my beautiful day. Gina@gmail.com. Pakiayos mo nga Yonke, YONQUE. QUE. Wala eh, hindi ako makapag-type dito eh. I don't know where's. Yonke Gina 3. Yeah, wait for a while. YON. Okay, please write Y, letter O. I cannot write here. I don't have here in the cell phone. Sorry. I don't have in my cell phone. Please write. Oh, yun na, paulit-ulit. Pasulat nga rin, BJ Braso. YONQUE. Yonke. YONQUE. Sulat mo na, YONQUE. Sinulat mo na, Jordan? Ay, may ginagawa. May ginagawa kasi yung aking secretary hindi makapagsulat eh. Sandali lang ha. Please, do not spam. Do not spam. Shami is no longer wait. Why you are crying? Wait. Please write. I cannot write. Uy, BJ, patulong. Ay, hindi ko ba isulat eh. I cannot write.